to it. He's a big eggshell, this boy is, but he's fun. Big old pointy head just like this. There we go, that's looking fun. And he's got a fun cape, a towel for a cape. So we'll bring it on down like this. Pretend his towel is right about here. The big old knot right about there. And then we can bring that right back up like this, right there. Continue that on up like that. Really nice. Let's give him an ear. Captain Underpants. Now let's see here, let's give him a swirly for his, where the bow would be for his knot. Just like that. That's looking good. And we'll give him a big old smile. Captain Underpants is a fun guy. He likes smiling a lot. So make it a big one. Big old smile like that. Very nice. He's got some fun teeth. Pretty much a straight line across. And we'll give him the teeth. 1, 2, 3. And a tongue right about here. Alrighty. And now he's got a funny little nose, a little swirly nose like this. Up and down like that. Looking good. And slits for eyes. Just like that. Real easy. And fun eyebrows. Just like that. There we go. Maybe a little bit on the ear there too. Now we're looking good. And he's got put his hand up, doesn't he? He's number 1. All the way to the sky. There we go, with his thumb right about there. His number 1 finger up like that. And a fist. Very nice. And bring his arm back down like this. We're looking good now, aren't we? Now what we can do is continue his eggshell form right about here. All the way around, which is nice. We'll make him big. We'll make him a big boy. So leave a bit for his leg there. That's nice. Continue his eggshell up like that. And what we're gonna do is, where we left a bit for the cape here, we're gonna draw a shoulder and his other arm right about there, just like that. This is looking nice. And now a little fist for his hand on the side of his underpants. Just like that. Looking very good. And we'll continue his arm around and right back around like that. Alright everybody. Join that up on the back. Looking nice. Now what we can do is make his legs. One about here. Bring it on down like this. That. And we'll make his other leg over here. Like this. And that. And now we can draw the feet. Big old heel like that. Little bumpy feet like this in his toes. He's got 4 toes, Captain Underpants does. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Join that up like that. He's got big old fat feet. Give him a bit of an ankle like that. And now we can do the same over here. There's his heel. Bumpy old feet. How many toes? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Join his foot up like that. And now the fun part, the actual underpants. Whoa, right about there. Whoa, looking nice. Join up the underpants, we'll give him the band right about there. And then we can draw the swirly bits right in here. 1, 2, and the other swirly bit around his leg like that. And join that one up like this. Very nice. This is looking nice. We can even give him his little nipples right about there. 1 and 2. Alright, this is looking super good. Let's continue his towel cape. And we'll bring it on down like this. And like that. And then we'll make it as if it's behind his legs here like this. And like that. So it'll pretend to join up there. Just like this. And there we go, everybody. It's Captain Underpants. Now we can do the color. Skin color for his body and yellow teeth. Red for his cape and tongue. We'll give him orange nipples. Thanks, everybody.